So I would like to talk about this program that, since beginning for many years, I had this little bit interest about the podiatry because in my internship, I had a lot of problem related to my foot. So I used to stand for hours. I met with Dr. Vilas in one workshop and a conference rather. So then I was thinking how he is developing this field very uniquely, and I immediately signed up, and I was waiting for this program. And here I realized that these people are very much devoted for this program and going very slowly and very uniquely, very much happy with whatever they're doing. And I got to know that ma'am, as a physiotherapist, almost left the practice of core physiotherapy and started totally devoting her time to podiatry is amazing. And I realized that nobody is tapping too much in podiatry as they are doing these days. So I'm very much inspired. So I think that we can do a lot of great things in future, and there's a lot of scope of podiatry, I believe. And every physiotherapy should know, because I had one more workshop where it was about pelvic floor dysfunction, and I realized there's a direct correlation between pelvic floor and arches. And there are a lot of things I am seeing. I can work as a physiotherapist, forget about podiatry separately. But as a physiotherapist also, if you just know about the biomechanics, foot biomechanics, can drastically change our practice positively. So I will strongly recommend this course to all the physiotherapists, and all areas, all the corners of India they should reach. And I'm very much happy to do this course and will learn more and more from them. Thank you so much.